3, 2, 1.
What removes some conventions from Old English manuscripts? The answer is D. Modern editions. On UK roads, the triangular warning sign for ice shows what symbol? The answer is A. Snowflake. Busby Berkeley was famous for his contribution to elaborately staged extravagant scenes in film musicals, mainly between the 1920s to 1940s, as what? The answer is D. Choreographer. What type of port can be found at Pegwell Bay in Kent and at Ryde on the Isle of Wight? The answer is C. Hoverport. Why do you think he is so immature? The answer is D. He is younger than me. Whose theory claimed that species were unchanging and designed by God? The answer is B. John Ray. What type of shoes did Carl Perkins and Elvis Presley sing about? The answer is D. Blue suede shoes. What is the name of the historic attack on Normandy on June 6, 1944, which was part of World War II military operations of the Allied powers against Nazi Germany? The answer is C. Operation Neptune. The Estonian Philharmonic Chamber Choir performs works by which Estonian classical and religious composer? The answer is D. Arvo Pärt. Which of these organisms has cells with cell walls? The answer is B. A pine tree. On which West Indian island is the volcano Mount Pelly situated? The answer is C. Martinique. In the United Kingdom, when is the wedding breakfast served? The answer is D. At the wedding reception. Blubberhouses is a town in which county? The answer is D. North Yorkshire. In which year was the first general election in which women had an equal franchise with men? The answer is D. 1929. How often do May Jehovah's Witnesses read other religions' literature? The answer is D. Frequently. A homeowner wants to use a renewable resource to heat the home. Which resource would be the best to use? The answer is D. Solar. Who does Echo weep for? The answer is D. Narcissus. The Spoonacres diamond is a major attraction of a museum at what location that used to be the primary residence of the Ottoman sultans for 400 years? The answer is B. Topkapi Palace. Who accompanies Pierre and Isabelle to New York City? The answer is C. Deli Olver. What form of government does Houston have? The answer is A. Strong mayoral form of municipal government. What is the name of the dog in the television series The Magic Roundabout? The answer is D. Dougal. Bivalvia and Gastropoda are classes of what phylum? The answer is C. Mollusks. Why did I leave a message? The answer is D. Because I wanted to get in contact with him. In 1946, who was the director of the United States Department of Labor? The answer is D. Friedetta Miller. The adjective caprine refers to which type of animal? The answer is B. Goat. What percentage of Anglicans were in the UK in 1910? The answer is B. 79%. What bodies of water can be found separating different developed areas of the city? The answer is A. Reservoirs. What may have been the cause to borrow money from their dad? The answer is C. I was short on money when I had my car accident. Who became the head of the UK's Lawn Tennis Association in 2006? The answer is D. Roger Draper. What is the only way that vegetarians and vegans obtain zinc? The answer is C. Plant sources. In what year did Geronimo de Iance y Beaumont patent a water pump for draining mines? The answer is A. 1606. Which lager's name is translated as Lion's Brew? The answer is D. Lowenbrau. What X word means a colorless, flammable liquid ingredient used to make synthetic resins, dyes, and insecticides? The answer is B. Xylene. Who won the 1920 game between Arsenal and Sporting Clube de Braga that took place at Highbury? The answer is B. Arsenal. Which word is defined as pertaining to breakfast? The answer is C. Gentacular. On what campus was the Science Park program built? The answer is D. Y campus. What actor played the role of the troubled teen Teddy Duchamp in the hit movie Stand By Me? The answer is A. Corey Feldman. Whom did Bush want to stand beside him as vice president? The answer is B. Dick Cheney. The rising and sinking of these can cause precipitation? The answer is A. Global air currents. What was the world's first commercially produced jet airliner? The answer is B. Comet. When did Comcast team up with Hewlett-Packard? The answer is D. May 2007. What was replaced in the upgrade that was offered for $256K max? The answer is D. The logic board. In the context of clothing, what type of clothing is a leghorn? The answer is D. Hat. Why is the theory of evolution so complex? The answer is C. The uncertainties of fossilization. What is something we know about the woman being described? The answer is A. She is manipulative. From April 1854 to February 1857, what port did the British and French lock down? The answer is B. Greek port at Piraeus. Who hit the top spot in 2002 with You Got It Bad? The answer is C. Usher. What was the name of Minamoto's daughter? The answer is B. Tokyuko. What is a type of solid that lacks an ordered internal structure? The answer is A. An amorphous solid. What is the name for a group of musicians formed to imitate a famous band?